all of you. This is the Atharv and my team. Kushagr Singh.
Satyam, Gupta,
Aalok, Vardhan Singh.
On behalf of class 7A1, today we are here to present our working model, volcanic eruption. So first of all, I will give this speech. The question arises in your mind is, what is volcano? A volcano is the opening in the crust of the earth where molten rocks and magma comes out. When this magma erupts and flows on the surface, it is called lava. After that, the narrow opening of the volcano is known as vent, and the capsize expression is called crater. Now, types of volcanoes. There are mainly three types of volcanoes. First is dominant, second extinct, and third active volcanoes. First, dominant volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes are the volcanoes who erupt sporadically. For example, Mount S.Sc in California. Extinct volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes are the volcanoes who erupted in past, but there are no signs of eruption in present. So it is called extinct volcanoes. Third, the most important volcano, and our working model is also inspired by that volcano, is active volcano. Our group co-leader Amit will explain about it.
active volcano is the volcano. Active volcanoes are the volcanoes which are erupting or seems to be erupted in the future. They eject molten rock, hot water, and produce gases such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide. Some examples of active volcanoes are Mount Stromboli in Italy and S.Sc Helens in United States. That's all from my side. Now our team leader Atharv will explain the important topic: why does volcanoes erupt?
So here the answer. Magma collected in the magma chambers, but it is still miles off below in the earth's surface. When the enough magma is collected in magma chambers, it forces magma to erupt. It is often causing volcanic eruption. Now our group co-leader Amit will explain about our project volcanic eruption.
Our project is also based on the active volcano, but for the eruption, we are using vinegar and baking soda. The reaction of NaSCO3 means baking soda and CH3CuOH means vinegar produces CO2 means carbon dioxide. You have seen many projects of volcano, but we have tried to prove that our project is working by itself. So we have used a water motor to pump the vinegar inside the volcano. When the vinegar goes inside the volcano seems to be erupting.
Thanks for watching.